Hi. So how do you make a GIF in Screencastify? Well, I'm going to show you. Right now I have a document that's open, and I'm going to be using this document. I'm going to be recording my screen using Screencastify. Remember, a GIF is anywhere between 5 seconds and about 16 seconds long, so it's not very long, and it's going to loop and loop and loop and loop. So what I'm going to do on my screen here is I'm going to go ahead and open up Screencastify. I'm going to go ahead and turn the microphone off. And I'm also going to turn the embedded camera off because we're not going to need it. We're only going to need the video running off of my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and click record. Click my entire screen here and share. Okay, I'm going to go up here to tools. And I'm going to go down to voice typing and click. And I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. That was long enough, wasn't it? Let's see how many seconds it is. 14 seconds. That's pretty good. All right. So now that it's ready, make sure that I've clicked in the right spots here. Okay. All right. That's it. So now I'm going to download this as a GIF. Okay, it's going to ask me what size do I want. I'm going to leave it as the size that it is. I can make the size bigger, make it size smaller, but I'm going to leave it where it's at. And I'm going to click export. And it is exporting right now as we speak. Takes a little bit of time to do. But the reason that I use Google Docs is because I'm actually going to insert that GIF inside of my Google Doc just so you can see it. All right, now it's telling me that I can download that GIF. So I'm going to download it. Let's give it a second for Screencastify to do its magic. And let me download it. Okay, and I'm going to change this to Docs 1. Save it on my desktop. Okay, all right, there it is. Now I'm going to go back into my Google document. Okay, right here, I'm going to go ahead and click insert, and I'm going to insert an image. Upload it from my computer, and you're going to go, wait, but a GIF isn't an image. But Google Docs thinks it is. That's what's so great about it. All right, I'm going to find my document here. Here it is, right here. Here's my GIF. I'm going to open it. All right. And you're going to see that there it is right there. Now, what I could have done is I could have used the editor and zoomed in on some of this and then saved that as a GIF as well. It would have still been the 14 seconds long. I could have just zoomed into different areas. But that's how easy it is to download a GIF. And you're seeing that it is continually to loop over and over and over again. Now, I can resize this a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. But this is great if I'm going to be making tutorials or I want to show students how to do something. Now, it doesn't necessarily just have to be how to do something on my screen. I could actually act something out, or the kids could do a little bit of animation with objects and do the same thing and loop it up. So there's a lot of ways that they could use GIFs. And yes, they have the ability to do this just like you do. And that's how easy it is to download a GIF using Screencastify.